What if I told you that someone saved over $100,000 without getting a promotion, without starting a business, and without winning the lottery? It may sound impossible, but the truth is, small financial habits can create life-changing results over time. Today, let's look at a simple example that shows how one habit can completely change your financial future.
He was an ordinary office worker, living in Chicago. He earned around $55,000 a year. His paycheck wasn't bad, but every month his bank account somehow ended up almost empty. Coffee before work, lunch deliveries, weekend shopping, streaming subscriptions. Nothing felt expensive by itself, but together, these small expenses quietly stole thousands of dollars every year. Alex wasn't poor. He simply had no system for managing his money. One day, after checking his bank balance, he decided things had to change. Instead of saving whatever was left at the end of the month, Alex made one simple decision. The moment his paycheck arrived, he automatically transferred 20% into a separate savings and investment account. He never touched that money. To him, saving became just like paying rent. It wasn't optional. It wasn't based on motivation. It became automatic. At first, it felt difficult. But after a few months, he stopped missing that money completely. His new habit became part of his normal life. Also made a few simple lifestyle changes. He cooked at home more often. He canceled subscriptions he never used. He stopped buying things just because they were on sale. Whenever he wanted something expensive, he waited 48 hours before buying it. Most of the time, he realized he didn't really need it. These small decisions saved hundreds of dollars every month. Money that used to disappear now stayed in his account. Saving money was only the first step. Alex started investing regularly in low-cost index funds. He didn't try to predict the stock market. He simply invested consistently. Year after year, his investments grew. The returns earned more returns. That's the power of long-term investing and compound growth. After several years, his savings and investments crossed $100,000. Not because he earned more, but because he managed his money better. The lesson is simple. Building wealth isn't always about making more money. Sometimes, it's about making better decisions with the money you already have. Start with one good habit, stay consistent, and give your money time to grow. Your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.